Okay. Much to the chagrin of the Brooklyn Museum, they've inherited a decent collection of European art. Including Monet. This is a classic Monet. I'll come back and take individual pictures in a few minutes. So they got this exhibit, which they sort of make an excuse for. Oh, let's give an excuse. We have Monet. He was European. He's a settled colonist. Yeah, whatever. There's actually some very seriously important works. This Picasso was one of the last paintings that the Brooklyn Museum acquired or brought. It was quite a fundraising effort to try to acquire it. Now they're trying to bury it. Look at that, a piece of Jewish art. You would never think. I'll come back around and get pictures. The one thing, by putting this all together, is they've given a pretty good demonstration of just how much fine art that this museum has had. And there's so much more buried in it that will probably never see the light of day. I don't know if the current administration has anything to say about it anyway. Henry Matisse. They used to have a dozen Rodins. I don't know what happened to them all. Okay. Here's Foran. This looks like a Delgado. Or a Degas. I didn't know they had a Degas. There you go. What do you know?
Very perfectly, sculpted, but at the same time, purposely also even over here, trying to sign it. He's smoothed it out and signed it. Yeah, exactly.
Just a little erotic. There's another Matisse. At the time, these things were easy to get. You could actually buy them on the streets. Not so long ago in my lifetime. But we'll try to find a Matisse now. If you want to buy a Picasso, you better hurry it up because they're disappearing from the market also. And this was a great piece. That has been removed from the permanent collection display. Isn't that lovely? It's a lovely piece. You can really get to see the depth of how much fine art this museum has got. They only have enough sensibility to keep it on display. Some of this stuff has been pulled from the archives, from the Syrian archives, wherever that is right now. Courbet. He tried to follow Monet into the rocks. It didn't work for him. This is one of the fairly famous ones, the Cezanne that they have here. Just as he was beginning to actually play with his flattening technique and his coloration changes. This is the Mankiewicz. They used to have some huge Mankiewicz that were like the size of an entire wall. I don't know where they went. They were mostly winter scenes. This is one of the smaller ones, obviously. Good. It's no fun if there's no people in the video. Okay, now